This Century 21 Cornelis-Simpson Incorporated property video is presented by William Cornelis. Captivating and spacious ranch with wood laminate flooring throughout home. Huge living room and family room with wood-burning fireplace. Rear sliding doors lead to a covered outdoor patio and fenced backyard with a small, barn-style shed with storage loft and electricity, and another shed for additional storage. For more information, review the details below or contact William Cornelis at 309-764-7413.